Ignorance, superstition,
Superstition,
depression.
depression. Wow, very great inputs from Queen Ere. Actually, when you're lighting candles frequently, when you make lighting a candle a ritual and a habit in your life, it illuminates your brain. So the 7 colors that you see are actually, they fuse into one light, which is a spiritual light, which is a representation of the Most High. The green color represents nature, right? For Jackson, the green color represents nature. The yellow color represents fortune, riches, or wealth. So yes, you can say money. The yellow color represents fortune, riches, or wealth. The red color represents power, force, strength, or even justice.
Haiti, they said red candle, you do it on Saturday. You see how it's different? They say Saturday. And then the green, you'll do it on Wednesday for money, for wealth. So I guess the question is, does it depend on country and then culture and tradition and things like that? Because you have yours a little bit different than what I've heard and seen.
Yeah, but you also need to look at, I mean, why would you pray for money on a green color? Is it because the dollar is green? Where are they getting the idea of money being green? Because green is a representation of nature.
We are Zolabantu. We live in love, we live in purity, we live in justice. We are priests, we are scientists, we are judges. The 3 pillars of spirituality. We bring together the best of us, we build together, we don't destroy.